Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is constructor in Java. So let us discuss first what we are going to cover in our today's video topic. So first of all we will see what is constructor, then the types of constructor, then we will see where it is used, and we will see an example of constructor. So first of all let us start with what is constructor in Java. So basically constructor is a constructor is a method constructor is a method which is similar to the name of the class. Means if the name of the class is student, then the constructor name should also be the student. It can be public, private, protected, or default. It can be of any access modifier. uh, the constructor is automatically created when the object is created of that class. So this is all about the constructor. Then the types of constructors are default constructor and parameterized constructor. the uh, the two main keywords used in constructor is this keyword and super keyword. So super keyword is to ex used to access used to access ob, the object of the parent class, whereas this keyword is to access used to access the uh, ob- access the object of the same class. So this is the use of this keyword and super keyword. Basically constructor is used to uh, initialize the values. Means means uh, it passes the it passes the values to the variables and create the variables to the initial variables. It passes the value to the initial variables. So this is the use of constructor. Then uh, so now the parameterized constructor, a constructor which has a specific number of parameter is called as the parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor to is used to define the values to distinct object. However, you can provide the same values also. Then constructor overloading in Java. So basically in Java a constructor uh, is just like a method in Java is just like a method in Java. So basically a constructor can be overloaded. A constructor can be overloaded if it is a as it is a non-return type. It can also be overloaded like Java methods. Constructor overloaded can be achieved by overloading and the giving the same name but providing the different parameters, or the parameter should be value. So in this way the constructor overloading can be achieved. So this is all about constructor use in Java. So as we have covered today what is constructor, then types of constructor, and types of constructor and their explanations. Thanks.